Hi, hello friends, welcome to Stress Less. Before going to video, please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos. In this video we are going to see about 8 different types of creatures. First, pygmy seahorses. The pygmy seahorses comprise several species of tiny seahorse in the Syngnatid family or Syngnathidae. Family Syngnathidae is part of order Syngnathiformes, which contains fishes with fused jaws that suck food into tubular mouths. They are found in Southeast Asia in the Coral Triangle area. Satomi's pygmy seahorse, Hippocampus satomi, named in 2008, are the world's smallest seahorse at up to 1.4 centimeters. This is a free-living species that is found near coral walls with soft corals. They are nocturnal and very active at night. They have been found in only a few places in Indonesia and northern Borneo. Bajabin's pygmy seahorse grows to a maximum length of 0.94 inches (2.4 centimeters) and has rounded tubercles on its body that matches the color and shape of its host Gorgonian coral. This species is usually one of two colors, purple with pink tubercles or yellow with orange tubercles, depending on the host Gorgonian's color. Second, wrap-around spider. Doliphon's conifera, known as the wrap-around spider, is a species of spider in the family Aranidae indigenous to Australia. It is named for its ability to flatten and wrap its body around tree limbs as camouflage. The wrap-around spider belongs to the family of Aranidae. Though some species of this family are known to be venomous, their venom is not dangerous to humans. What does a wrap-around spider look like? Most wrap-around spiders have an upper abdomen shaped like an inverted disc, composed of smaller discs with slits in them. When night falls, the spiders become more active, spinning webs in between trees. Females typically measure about 9 mm in length, with males significantly smaller at around 5 to 6 mm. What means wrap-around? Adjective, of a garment made to fold around or across the body so that one side of the garment overlaps the other, forming the closure, extending in a curve from the front around to the sides, a wrap-around windshield. Third, Yeti crab. Yeti crab, scientific name Kiva hirsuta, is a crustacean discovered in 2005 in the South Pacific Ocean. This decapod, which is approximately 15 centimeters long, is notable for the quantity of silky blonde setae covering its paapods. Its discoverers dubbed it the Yeti lobster or Yeti crab. This species of crab, found abundantly near the hot water vents of the Southern Ocean, have now been described for the first time. The Yeti crab, an unusual, hairy crab with no eyes, was discovered in 2005 on a hydrothermal vent near Easter Island. It represents not only a new species but also a new genus, Kiva, after the mythological Polynesian goddess of shellfish. Fourth, grey tree frog. The grey tree frog is a species of small arboreal frog native to much of the eastern United States and southeastern Canada. Adult grey tree frogs mainly prey upon different types of insects and their own larvae. Mites, spiders, plant lice, snails and slugs are common prey. They may also occasionally eat smaller frogs, including other tree frogs. Grey tree frogs can live to be 7 to 9 years old, with an average of about 7 years both in captivity and the wild. Fifth, sea pig. Scientific name Scotoplanes, commonly known as the sea pig, is a genus of deep-sea sea cucumbers of the family Elpidaidae, order Elacipodida. Sea pigs are valiant protectors of baby king crabs, who clutch onto sea pigs for protection. The deep, dark seafloor is an exposed and dangerous place for these juvenile crabs, and by hitching a ride on sea pigs, they have a greater chance of staying safe from potential predators. Luckily for the sea pig, they don't actually have a brain, so the fact this is happening to them and the fact their life is pretty damn rubbish means they probably don't give a crap. 4 sea pigs are very closely related to the sea cucumber, which actually breathe out of their anus. Still, for all science knows about the sea pigs, which, all things considered, is a good amount, given that it's a deep-sea species, there's much to be learned. How they mate is still a mystery, as is how long they live. They might live for 10 years, or they might live for 100 years, says Pawson. Sixth, red-lipped batfish. The red-lipped batfish or Galapagos batfish is a fish of unusual morphology found around the Galapagos Islands and off Peru at depths of 3 to 76 meters. Red-lipped batfish are closely related to rosy-lipped batfish, which are found near Cocos Island off the Pacific coast of Costa Rica. These strange-looking fish have long and sharp nose, and they also look like they put a lot of lipstick on their lip. Some scientists believe the purpose of its red bright lip is for the male of Ogyptiocephalus darwini to attract the female. The name Darwini is named after Darwin. Despite their weird look, the red-lipped batfish are harmless to humans. There are different types of batfish around the world, and all of them have compact bodies. They are categorized into either the Ogeciocephalidae or Ephipidae family. The red-lipped batfish doesn't have any predators of its own, and because it lives so far underwater, it's mostly unaffected by environmental impact. If it's not resilient, it's at least lucky. The standard lifespan of a batfish is around 12 years, but I wish it was forever. 7th. Phronima. Phronima is a genus of small, deep-sea hyperid amphipods of the family Phronimidae. It is found throughout the world's oceans, except in polar regions. Phronima species live in the pelagic zone of the deep ocean. Their bodies are semi-transparent. Although commonly known as parasites, they are more technically correctly called parasitoids. Instead of constantly feeding on a live host, females attack salps, using their mouths and claws to eat the animal and hollow out its gelatinous shell. Phronima females then enter the barrel and lay their eggs inside, and then propels the barrel through the water as the larvae develop, providing them with fresh food and water. 8th. Leaf gecko. Leaf gecko, scientific name Uroplatus fantasticus, the satanic leaf-tailed gecko, is a species of gecko indigenous to the island of Madagascar. First described in 1888 by George Albert Bollinger, U. fantasticus is the smallest in body of the Uroplatus geckos, though there is an ongoing debate as to whether one of its cousins, U. eboni, is smaller because of its shorter tail. It may also be known as the eyelash leaf-tailed gecko or the fantastic leaf-tailed gecko. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoying this video, so please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.